Hi, I'm Danny Vargas. I'm the founder, chairman, and CEO of the American Latino Veterans Association. At ALVA, we help Latino business owners access capital and do business in a variety of ways. So we've got resources and podcasts and information on how to start and grow your business so they can achieve the American dream of being able to be a business owner and create your own future and create your own destiny for yourself and for your family. My experience as a veteran and as an entrepreneur really motivated me to support this community in a variety of ways. Number one, I was an Air Force veteran. I was so proud to have served my country as an Air Force veteran. I grew up in the streets of New York, and the least I could do to give back to my country was to serve in uniform and help protect this nation. After I got out of the military, I went to work for a large government contractor and then spent about 10 years in the international telecommunications industry. And then I started my own business about 21 years ago. Not only as a way to give back to my family, but also as a way to give back to the community. It afforded me the opportunity to get involved in nonprofit organizations and government programs and initiatives. And it afforded me the opportunity to provide not only that support, but also that example to my children that you can do good at the same time you're doing well. ALVA is having a great impact on Latino veterans and entrepreneurs in a variety of ways. We're helping Latino veterans who are trying to figure out what to do with their lives after military service. We're helping them get into great careers, but we're also helping them understand that the opportunity to create a business is there for them. And we're providing them the resources, we're providing them the guidance and the support and the networking that's going to be needed to be able to not only start a business, but grow it and be successful and have a sustainable future for themselves and their families. If you're a Latino veteran, you deserve our respect, our honor, and our appreciation. I often tell people, when you come across a veteran, thank a veteran, hug a veteran, but hire a veteran. What you have done in support of your nation and in service of this country is something that you should be proud of and something that we all should respect. And the least we can do is find ways to be able to make sure that your life after military service is filled with opportunity, filled with success, and filled with respect.
JBI is proud to announce its 2025 Inaugural Community Impact Award recipient, the American Latino Veterans Association.
Good evening. My name is Laura Arcet with Unidos US. I'm a proud board member of the Center for Responsible Lending, and it's my honor tonight to present the Community Impact Award to the American Latino Veterans Association, and accepting on their behalf, Danny Vargas. Please join me in welcoming him to the stage.
Buenas noches. You can do better than that. Buenas noches. Thank you so very much for this incredibly humbling and moving recognition. It's especially moving coming from an organization that's named after such an iconic civil rights leader, a true champion for justice and equality. You know, I want to thank also our board of directors, our advisory council, our regional coordinators, our partners, our sponsors, our supporters, and our members, all part of the ALVA family, without whose support we couldn't do any of the things that we do for this woefully under-recognized and underappreciated segment of our population. If you didn't know, there's 1.5 million Latino veterans in our nation today. There's nearly 250,000 Latinos serving on active duty right now all across the globe. That's nearly 19% of the total active duty force, 25% of the Marine Corps. There have been over 60 Hispanic Medal of Honor recipients. Latinos have fought in every single war this nation has ever had. As an Air Force veteran myself, I can tell you that Latinos take a backseat to no one in the defense of liberty. They deserve our gratitude and our respect, and that is why we do what we do as an organization. We help folks transition from military service into great civilian careers. We help them start and grow successful businesses. We help them access the benefits that they have earned through their service. We provide a voice in public policy through our advocacy efforts. And yes, we tell the stories of Latino contributions to our military and our national defense from the Revolutionary War to today. And we are a membership organization. But membership is free to all veterans, active duty, Guard, and reserves, and their family members, because military service is not necessarily just an individual exercise, it really is a family endeavor. Any of you that have family members that have served, you know that it really is all of the families that are serving, not just the individual in uniform. We rely on the generosity of our sponsors and our donors, who provide the financial support to be able to do what we do, and I invite you to do the same. But these are folks that can be valuable, talented members of your workforce. These are hard-working, innovative entrepreneurs that can be part of your supply chain. These are consumers and customers for your products and services, and these are the men and women who have served and sacrificed, bled and died to defend our freedoms that we enjoy as a nation. And the least that we can do is to support them, because we can all be doing more, and they deserve no less. So I'm going to leave you with just one of my favorite Bible verses from Galatians 6:9 that says, "Let us not grow tired of doing good, for at the proper time we shall reap a harvest, if we do not give up." Thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate it.